everybody, it's Sarah from TheStyleBlog. Welcome back. I'm going to compare two mascaras today from Benefit, the Roller Lash and Theyre Real. I'm going to apply one on each side of my face so you can see how they go on side by side. I'm also going to do an all-day wear test. I'll come back this evening and give you the results on how well they held up throughout the day, and I'll also give you some drugstore dupes. Stay tuned. Okay, first let's start with the Benefit Theyre Real mascara. So Benefit markets this as a lengthening, volumizing, and lifting mascara. So basically they say that it does it all, which I love in a mascara. They also say that this is long wearing and smudge free. They don't put a time on it, but they do say it will last all day long. So this wand is plastic with little bitty spikes. I hope you can also see that there's a domed tip and then little prong spikes on top as well. FYI, these both retail for $25. You can find them on Ulta, Sephora, Amazon, on Benefit's website, etc. They both come in black, and then the Theyre Real also comes in a blue and a brown. FYI, just for video purposes, I bought both of these last week and I opened them on the same day, and I've used them each 3 times since I purchased them. And I'm going to apply this Theyre Real on this side. Alright friends, let's put on some mascara. First, I'm going to curl my lashes just like I normally would. Do 3 pumps, one at the base, one in the middle, and one at the ends. So you'll probably notice that I have no eye makeup on except for a little bit of eyeshadow. That's just so you can see which side actually is the best, etc. I don't want anything distracting you from these awesome results. Alright, let's start with the Theyre Real. Okay, moment of truth. Here we go. Ooh la. Look at that lift and separation. Whew. I love this mascara, guys. Oh, I love it. Okay, so on their website it says to coat all of your lashes horizontally and then turn the wand vertically and separate and lift them. So I kind of went in horizontally, and now let's go in vertically and lift. I really love this part of this brush. It is so nice to be able to go back and separate these lashes. Hello. Wow, guys, look at this. This looks so good. Whew, I love it. Look at all that volume and curl and length. It's so good. It is so good. Okay, let's do the bottom. Okay, I don't know if you'll notice, but I do have a little bit of trouble picking up my bottom lashes just because the head on this is so large. It tends to kind of nick my skin a little bit. So I do have a little bit of black on my skin that I'm going to clean up here. I'm going to let this dry down about 90% of the way or so, and then we'll do a second coat. And I'm going to do the exact same thing with the roller lash as well. Okay, so this has dried down about, I would say, 80–90% of the way. And OMG, look at my eyes. Look at the difference between no mascara and just one coat of this Theyre Real. It's amazing. It is so good. Look at that lift, the separation, the curl, the volume. Guys, I'm in awe. This is a great mascara. Okay, let's do a second coat here and see how it looks after 2 coats. I can imagine it's only going to get better, but we'll see. Here we go. Guys, these videos excite me way too much. Like, I shouldn't be this excited about mascara, but I love it. Okay. Wow, they even got longer, and I don't feel like they're super clumpy. They're not like really separated, real looking. I feel like there's so much volume, and you can see all of my lashes. They don't look like a clumpy mess. I think it looks gorgeous. Let's do the bottom. Oh, guys, wow. I am obsessed with this. This is like, I don't have words. It's gorgeous. I love these results. Oh my gosh, like, so good. Now I'm a little worried that the roller lash isn't going to match up with this insane perfection, but it is a very good mascara, so I'm hoping that it will give us great results too. All right, let's go over the roller lash. So Benefit's tagline, if you will, for this is the hook and roll. So they wanted this to imitate a hot roller for your hair. Basically, it hooks your lashes and it rolls them. They really say that it lifts, separates, and opens your eyes, and it has big time curl. They also put some vitamins in this to nourish your lashes. So they do actually advertise a time on this. They say it will last for 12 hours, which they didn't give us with this Theyre Real. And they do say that it's easy to remove, which actually when companies advertise that, it usually means that it's a problem and it will come off when I don't want it to. So I'm super excited to see how this wears throughout the day today to see if we get any flecks, flaking, fallout, etc. Also, Benefit says that their roller lash gives you a satin finish as opposed to the matte finish of the Theyre Real. Okay, so let's compare these guys. The top one is the Theyre Real and the bottom pink one is the roller lash. The roller lash has a curve where the Theyre Real does not. The roller lash spikes. The little prongs are not quite as long and it doesn't have the domed tip. The actual wand on the roller lash is longer and thinner. Okay friends, it's roller lash time. Let's do this thing. Here we go, moment of truth. This is like my favorite moment of these videos. When you put the first coat on, it's like, boom. Yes, okay, let's do it. Hello guys, look at that length. Whew, yes. Yeah, okay. Let's keep going on this. Oh no guys, I made a mess up. Let me clean this up. I think I just got a little too excited, I'm sorry. I'll try not to do it again. Oh my gosh, look at that curl separation, the length. It is everything they promised us and more. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Let's do the bottom. Guys, again with this one, I'm having a lot of trouble grabbing my bottom lashes. Also, this wand is very, very long, so it's hard to get past my nose here and like actually get in with this wand. This is dried down about 80–90%, and I am so happy with this first coat. I can't wait to see what the second coat does for us. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm just so happy right now. This stuff is so good. Guys, this looks like I've been using a lash serum for like years and years and just have those like insanely long lashes, and I don't use a lash serum and my lashes are not even super long. This is so good, so good. Okay, let's finish with the bottom. I get too excited. I always forget the bottom because I'm just like so excited. Okay. Hallelujah. I wish I could sing that song for you guys. I'm just a really bad singer. This looks so good. Let's zoom in like super close. Like you're gonna see every pore and every fine line on my face so that you can see these mascaras up close and personal because they're just so good. Again guys, this is the roller lash over here, which they promised to give curl, length, and separation, which hello, it delivered on all of that. And this one over here is the Theyre Real, which they promised volume, length, separation, curl, everything, which it gave us that too. These are both so good. Guys, I have tried like an embarrassing amount of mascaras, and Benefit makes some of the best mascaras ever, period, in the world. You're not gonna change my mind. So for right now, before the wear test and before I give you my dupes, I'm going to tell you that the Theyre Real I really love so much. I feel like it gives a little more volume, but it can get clumpy on you. The roller lash gives, I think, a little bit more length, and it definitely gives more separation. It's not going to get clumpy on you like this one is. However, I do feel like the Theyre Real gives a little more volume, so I'm not giving a winner yet. I hope both of these last beautifully throughout the day, and I will come back this evening and show you which one wore better and if I had any fallout. And after I see exactly how they wear next to each other, I'm going to tell you my drugstore dupes of these two. Stay tuned. Hey friends, it's been about 8-ish hours or so come in closely and take a look at how these wore. Okay, so I hope you can see there's like pretty much no flaking or fallout. I would say there's maybe like 2 tiny little dots. I saw one here and one here. I don't even know if you can see them because they're so tiny. This held up so well, both of them. I'm so impressed. I feel like my lashes didn't really fall at all. I'm still like amazed at these mascaras. They're so good. I have gone back and forth all day long trying to decide which one of these I like better. So I decided to put a poll on Instagram and Facebook stories, and I'll just tell you what you guys told me. So I didn't tell you guys which side was what, and I just had you vote blindly on which one you liked better. So let's see the results. Number 1 was the roller lash, and 44% of you said you liked that better. And then number 2 was the Theyre Real, and 56% of you said you liked that that one better. So it's almost half and half. So most of you did like the Theyre Real the best, but still a lot of you liked the Roller Lash. I asked my husband, he said he liked the Theyre Real. I asked him 3 different times today because we were basically together all day long. The first time he said Theyre Real, the second one he said Roller Lash, and the third one he said Theyre Real again. So these are both amazing mascaras. So what I am going to say is if you prefer a more separated, long, looks like they could be your real lashes but just better, I would go with the Roller Lash. And then if you want tons of volume, could get a little clumpy if you apply too much, but it's going to give you lots of volume and length, I would go with the Theyre Real. I have been a believer in this Theyre Real forever. I think I'm going to switch to Roller Lash for a little bit. I cannot believe I'm saying this. If you've been around for a while, you know this is a huge deal. I love them both, honestly. I just love the separation that Roller Lash gives, and it doesn't get clumpy at all. That's one con for this Theyre Real, is it does get a little bit clumpy if you put too much on, so you have to be kind of careful. But I love the domed end of this brush, and I love that the spikes are a lot longer than the Roller Lash. This is the closest Mascara Showdown I have ever done on my channel. So these are both amazing mascaras. Benefit knows how to do mascara. Come on. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to do drugstore dupes for these. So the Roller Lash, I feel like a good drugstore dupe for this is the L'Oreal Telescopic. I have a Mascara Showdown on that video. Be sure to check that out before you purchase it. I would say that it gives 80–85% of the results of this Roller Lash. It doesn't give you quite the volume and length, but it comes pretty close, and it really does do the separation and lift. A drugstore dupe for the Theyre Real, I would go with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I wanted to say the Maybelline Lash Sensational, but I feel like the Lash Paradise is more voluminous than the Lash Sensational. So that one is a good option. Be sure to check out my Mascara Showdown with those as well. So that one would be a great option. I would say it will give you like 75% of the results of this Theyre Real. I can't find drugstore mascaras that perform as well as these. I mean, they come close, but I love these mascaras, guys. Bottom line, if you want to spend 25 bucks on a mascara, you can't go wrong with either one of these. If you prefer more volume, I would go with the Theyre Real. If you prefer more separated and lift and curl, I would go with the Roller Lash, but honestly, you can't go wrong. These are amazing mascaras. I have tons more Mascara Showdowns on my channel. I will link them below. Guys, I hope you had as much fun as I did. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty fun, and I will see you next time. Bye!